In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive settings. Whether you're looking to customize your OneDrive experience or just need to make a few tweaks, understanding how to navigate the settings is essential. Let's dive right in and get you acquainted with the steps to easily access and manage your OneDrive settings. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to onedrive.live.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and enter your Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, you'll be greeted by the OneDrive interface, showcasing your files and folders. Now, our focus is on locating the settings, which can sometimes be a little tricky if you're not familiar with the interface. Take a look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see three horizontal dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu, which houses various settings and options for your OneDrive account. It's easy to overlook, but once you've spotted it, you'll find it's quite handy for accessing additional features. Once you're in the drop-down menu, look for a gear icon. It's commonly associated with settings, and OneDrive is no different. Clicking on this gear icon will open up another menu. This is where you will want to select OneDrive settings. It's straightforward from here, as this selection will lead you directly to the settings page. On this settings page, you'll find a range of options to tailor your OneDrive experience to your liking. You can adjust storage, modify sharing settings, and explore additional features designed to enhance your productivity. While you're here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various settings categories. This exploration can be beneficial as you'll learn more about what OneDrive has to offer and how you can use it more effectively. Remember, accessing your OneDrive settings can greatly improve how you use the platform. From managing your file access to configuring synchronization options, these settings are your gateway to a more personalized and efficient OneDrive experience. If you ever need to adjust anything in the future, just repeat these steps and you'll have access to everything you need. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward method for accessing your OneDrive settings. With this guide, you should feel confident navigating the OneDrive settings and making any necessary adjustments to improve your user experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other tech tips and tricks.